How to buy crypto in Bitrue. Are you guys facing issues to buy crypto on Bitrue application? If that's so, then this video might help you. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To buy crypto on Bitrue, first of all, open Bitrue app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now on home screen, tap buy crypto, which is located at this option over here. Just simply tap buy crypto. Now select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, such as Bitcoin or USDT, and then choose the currency you will be paying with. Enter the amount you wish to purchase. Next, select a payment method. Bitrue supports options like credit, debit card, or third-party hope providers. Once everything looks good, tap Buy Now. Review your order's detail carefully, then confirm your purchase. After payment is complete, the crypto will appear on a Bitrue wallet shortly. That's it, guys. That's how you're gonna buy crypto on Bitrue app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.